Good morning everyone. I'm here to discuss about ListBox. First, what is ListBox control? A Windows Forms ListBox control displays a list from which the user can select one or more items. If the total number of items exceeds the number that can be displayed, a scroll bar is automatically added to the ListBox control. Selection mode. There are four selection modes of a ListBox: None, 1, Multi-Simple, and Multi-Extended. And here's how to select it from Visual Studio. None. You cannot select anything. 1. You can only select one item. Multi-Simple. You can select multiple items using your left-click mouse button. And Multi-Extended. In Multi-Extended, you need to select a starting index, for example 3 to 7. You need to hold down your left-click mouse button and then drag it down to 7 to select multiple items. And if for example you want to deselect the number 5, you just need to hold down your control button and then click it, and it will be deselected. Methods. The add method. Here's the code that I use on the add method. Here's the example of it. The remove method. The remove at method. In remove at method, you will use the selected index. You will select a item on the list box and then you click the button so that it will be removed. Then here's the code if you want to remove multiple items on the list box. This is the explanation of the code in the removing of multiple items in the list box. This is the representation of the code of a list box 1. It is the list of numbers from 1 to 10. For example, you want to deselect the 3, 5, 7, and 8. So the selected indices are 2, 4, 6, 7. Why 2, 4, 6, 7? Because those are the indices of 3, 5, 7, and 8. So the indices are 2, 4, 6, 7. And their indices are 0, 1, 2, 3. Always start at the end index, because if you start from the start index, which is 0, it will alter the list indexes. For example, if you remove the index 0, which is 2, so the index 2 here is 3. If you remove the index 2, then the new index 2 will be 4, and that will confuse the loop. So always start at the end index. The clear method. You just simply clear the whole list box. And here's how to edit items before starting the program. You just need to right click the list box and then click edit items. And here's the window that will pop up. You will type the items, one item per line. You press OK, and then it will be added to the list box. Note that these items will be default, and every time you run the program, the list box will always contain the numbers 1 to 10. And that's it. Thank you for listening.